Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Wednesday 27th of April. Yeah, no, yesterday didn't actually quite much rolled some new updates right over there on the channel for SLP and stuff like that. But anyway, I'm going to try to do this today. And so here we are with the Bitcoin update once again. So what is Bitcoin doing at this point of time? Now I told you in yesterday's video that there should be a very big stop loss taken into consideration, which is going to be down here at $38,200. And this is where Bitcoin actually came in, took that stop loss, and you are pretty much making some bloodbath to go to the downside. All right, so I don't want to actually sound so bearish, but Bitcoin is now bearish a little bit because two things. Okay, that stop loss was taken. For a second I actually thought Bitcoin might be coming down to make a double bottom and then continue to the upside, but it is not. The problem is that I told you about the second support in the past. Almost every single video I actually made this point, okay, that as soon as you start to close and make some bearish candles below here, which is going to be this touch here, second touch right there, and the second support line, which was this one, and you don't make moves like you did to the upside, and right here to the upside, then that's a very bad news. And the door to go down to the 30Ks is now probably even open up. Okay, it's probably opened up. You might see Bitcoin making huge progress to the downside. But the next technical target I'm going to tell you is going to be based on the fib retracement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bottom here to the top right over there, and all you're doing right now is potentially looking to come down to $36,044. Okay, so this is where you might come down, because now that you're losing the 0.618, do you see that you went up to the 0.618, probably the 0.5 level, and you fail to hold the golden ratio to continue to go to the upside. So what did you do instead? Hit the golden ratio, lose the golden ratio. Now you're looking to create something known as reversal wave to the 1.618. Simple. 36K is something I'm looking for. In yesterday's update, I actually talked about a suspense that I'm going to leave you with, and that was from Zilliqa. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Bitcoin on a new clean chart, which is going to be Qcoin. So let's go into the Qcoin, and I'm going to open up another new window for tradingview.com, and I'm going to open up Zil as well so that I can look both the coins side by side and talk about them. So here we are, and it's loading up. Yep, Zil to USDT, and there we go. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to dive into the daily for Zilliqa, and I'm going to dive into the monthly for Bitcoin. And then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to the right screen for Bitcoin, and then for Zilliqa, what I'm going to do is oh no, what the hell am I doing, guys? I don't know what I'm doing. This is weird. Okay, I got it. Just bear with me. This is going to be on the left, and this is going to be on the right. Oh, pretty simple. Oh my goodness, this was so really tough to do. Anyway, but I got it. Now this is the monthly time frame, and let's open Zil on Qcoin as well. Just a second here on the Qcoin, and I'm on the daily on Zilliqa. I'm on the monthly for Bitcoin. Let's hide the volume as well, and let me tell you what I'm trying to tell you. All right, so there's a fractal that is very similar on the monthly, that is very similar on the daily for Zilliqa. So the fractal that you see right over here, so let me zoom in. So let me just zoom in right over here. I didn't even zoom in the way I wanted it to do, but anyway, yep, this fractal for Zil and this fractal on the monthly for Bitcoin, perfect, same fractal that Zil has made, and could be a cheat sheet for Bitcoin. So let's go into the details. 3 black rows, which is a bearish continuation pattern, and this was a bear flag. And to talk about Zil as well, is that this bear flag, a lot of people didn't believe me when I told them Zil is about to drop badly, and I did have a update on the channel as well, pointing out this bear flag. And all you did is you came down, made the bear flag, and I gave the technical target, which actually takes you from top here to the bottom, and this is where I laid down the bear flag. As you can see here, all you did is you went to the downside just like that, came up to retest the flag. When you retest the flag, you failed, and then you really went to the downside, and look at that, you are already meeting the target, very very near to the target. That is a story of zeal has come to an end. So I'm going to actually close this one and leave zeal chart right over there and bring in Bitcoin. So here we are on the Bitcoin. So on the monthly, let's talk about Bitcoin on the monthly. It's dangerous, it's looking dangerous. Now I'm not saying you're never going to have an opportunity again to trade in the short term time frame. You can trade on a higher time frame like the monthly. Bitcoin is actually bearish, it is bearish. On a weekly time frame it's not really that bearish, but on the monthly it's really bearish, and it's heavy, it's something heavy, and it's something that I've been pointing out for a long time. Okay, so if you start to close like this on the monthly, who knows, this could be your evening star as well. So three black crows, evening star, two bearish signs, and potentially a bear flag. Where is this bear flag going to take you? It probably could take you from there to there. And if you start because you are probably breaking out of the bear flag, Bitcoin can dump down to these levels, $23,000. It can, unless you don't start to break the bear flag. And I've already showed you how zeal looked like. Okay, a lot of people on the daily, they were not listening to me. And of course, you should do your own research. I'm not saying you completely listen to what I'm about to say, but the problem is that, you see, it was a bear flag, and the technical target took a long time to go down. Look, it didn't go down straight. It went making a series of green candles and red candles, green candles, red candles, and then all the way to the downside and meeting the technical target. Nonetheless, the technical target came in after almost 15 days later. So Bitcoin might not drop next month, it might not drop in June, but it could end up to 23,000 anytime, like in within this year on a monthly time frame. So it's something I just want to point it out. Of course, don't take it as a financial advice. These are not financial advices, but just my own opinion of what is about to come next. But anyway, that's on the monthly. The daily, we've lost some key level of support, and you can see even on the daily, this candlestick that is printing out is pretty damn bearish candlesticks printing out. Okay, now I'm not saying you cannot go up a little bit and go to the downside, because when you go up, you go in waveform, and when you go down, you go in waveform as well. So you might just go a little bit down, go up, go down again, come a little bit up, and then go down, go up, come down, until all the way down here to the $36,000 level for that reversal to the downside. Once it goes down to 36K, we're going to look at it. But one thing again is going to be pretty simple, is that in order for us to flip bullish, now let's talk about the bullish side of it instead of pointing out bearish side of it. Everything is going to be discussed right here. You must cross this level, and you must hold it $41,000. You must cross $41,000, hold 41K to go to the upside. You don't do it, my views are not going to be changed. Okay, so that's it for today's update. If you do want to learn trading, do check out my trading course. The link is in the description of the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love it.